And now let's move on to the last option on this list, which is WordPress. WordPress is still the most popular way to create and manage websites. In fact, over 43% of all websites are running on WordPress. It's important to note that WordPress is not an all-in-one website builder like the others we've talked about in this video. Instead, it's a free-to-use, open-source content management system that allows you to create and manage websites without needing to write any code. Because WordPress is not an all-in-one solution, it comes with some additional responsibilities. You're gonna have to manage things like hosting and security yourself, making it a bit more technical and harder to get started. So if you're new to WordPress, it can definitely feel a bit overwhelming at first, and you might need to spend some time watching tutorials and learn how to manage everything. Honestly, this is one of the major downsides of using WordPress. Nevertheless, WordPress does have some major advantages that make it worth considering. First, WordPress has a massive ecosystem with over 30,000 themes and more than 70,000 plugins. This gives you virtually unlimited options to customize and expand your website. You can also install a drag and drop website builder like Elementor, which makes designing your website much easier even for beginners. The second big advantage is that you'll actually own your website when using WordPress. You can download it and move it to any server whenever you like. With most website builders, you're basically locked into their platform. So for example, if they raise prices, you can't just move your website to another host. And finally, running a WordPress website is pretty affordable. The main cost is hosting, which you can get for just a few dollars per month. Keep in mind though that some plugins or themes may come with additional costs. The WordPress software itself is completely free and can be downloaded from WordPress.org. Now, there's one very important thing to know, which is that WordPress.org and WordPress.com are not the same. I highly recommend avoiding WordPress.com for setting up your website, and I explain exactly why in detail in this video right here. So if you're thinking about using WordPress, make sure to check out that video before getting started. And if you decide to go with WordPress, you're gonna need to choose a hosting provider to host your website. I've personally tried many different hosting providers, and the one I personally use and recommend is Hostinger, the same company behind the Hostinger website builder we talked about earlier. With Hostinger, you can get WordPress hosting starting at just $2.49 per month. Plus, you can save an extra 10% by using my referral link in the video description below. Overall, WordPress is a great choice if you want full control and ownership of your website with endless possibilities for the future, as long as you're willing to invest some time in learning how to use it. And in my opinion, it's still the #1 choice for anyone serious about starting a blog.